Going to a cafe. Today, Anna goes to a cafe on the high street. She likes the cafe because it is warm and quiet. She wants a drink and a cake. This is her simple cafe story. Anna lives in a small flat in London. Today, she feels tired but happy. She wants a hot drink and a sweet snack. Anna goes to the bus stop. She sees a red bus. She goes on the bus and sits down. She looks out of the window and sees a park. The bus stops near the high street. Anna gets off the bus and walks. She sees a small cafe with big windows. The cafe looks clean and bright. Anna goes into the cafe. She sees a man behind the counter. She says, "Hello." The man says, "Hello." Anna sees tea, coffee, and juice. She likes tea because it is hot. She says, "I want a cup of tea, please." She also sees a chocolate cake. She likes cake because it is sweet. She says, "I want a chocolate cake too." The man gives her tea and cake. Anna pays and says, "Thank you." She sits at a small table. Anna drinks the tea. She eats the cake. She feels calm and good. She sees people outside and cars on the street. Anna likes the cafe. She likes the tea and the cake. She feels happy today.